Welcome to your new Southwest Florida home. Stunning lake view. Great outdoor oasis. Great room floor plan. Neutral colors. Spacious floor plan. Dining room. Kitchen, granite, wood cabinets. Light and bright. Large island. Eat-in kitchen. Den, media room, or home office. Owner's suite, spacious. Owner's suite. Owner's bath. Owner's walk-in shower. Bedroom number 3. Bath number 2. Bedroom number 2, closet. Laundry room. Laundry cabinet and utility sink. Pretty sunrises, eastern exposure. Perfect for outdoor entertaining. Great spot to relax.